Hi, my name's Alan. There's plenty of times that I have just not felt exactly right. Maybe a summer cold or the flu. I don't get the flu often, but I have had COVID twice, and I just had it a few days ago. This really, really helped me, and I think it can help you too. It's got everything you need to get a good night's sleep, to take away some of the symptoms. Nothing's going to take away all of them, but it will help with help quell some of the symptoms from colds and flu. I really believe in this stuff. It's helped me in the past, and I think it'll help you too.